My dad drives diggers.
Ready? Let's go.
He takes my little brother Bodie on the digger. Bodie loves the digger. The digger has lots of different parts. There is the track, and there is the bucket that does the scooping.
Good to go?
There's lots of earth to move today. Archie, the dog, likes to go too.
Good job, guys.
My dad's on the digger, I go on my quad bike. I love my quad bike.